Welcome to PrognoCIS. Today we're going to cover the home screen. This is the first screen that you see when you log into PrognoCIS. In the upper left corner, you have directional arrows, which will take you forward and backward a screen as you start moving through the system. The house will always bring you back to home. Each one of these tabs up here are menu tabs where you can go to other screens in the system. Over here on the right, we have a flashing news sign, which will have the latest release notes. We have your dashboard, so you can see reports at a glance. We have your ARA dashboard, to let you know how you're doing with meaningful use. The population health dashboard. We have a switch to billing, so this will switch you over to the billing side. We have take an appointment, so you can make an appointment by just taking this, clicking this button from any screen in the system. We have a search for a patient. Go to the encounter, and then your inbox. So this will show you all your messages. We have a resource center. We have your help button, your I button, which is information about your system, a lock, which will lock your screen. And when you log back in, you'll be on the same screen. Or you can log out, which will take you completely out of the system. Over here, we have appointments, which is just going to show you the appointments for today. And then we have open encounter. So if you hadn't finished a counter and that encounter is still open, you'll be able to come here and pull it back up and work it and get it closed. Right here, we have the calendar. So it's going to default to today. But if you click in the middle of the calendar, it will bring up the calendar and you can go to any date that you want, or you can go forward or backward a day using that. This T will always bring you back to home. If you want to see only the telemedicine appointments, you can click this box and it will only show you the appointments that have telemedicine. We have a filters button, so you can filter out, if you're a provider, you can filter out only your appointments, or you can filter out by visit type, status, or location. We also have a manage column button, which will indicate what fields are being seen here. Each individual user is able to set their own columns. And then down here, we have your actual schedule for today, the actual time the patient arrived. These are patient forms. So if you see the patient form in a yellow color, that means the patient has not filled out any patient form. If you see it in red, that means it's been saved and accepted. They filled out the form and you have already looked at it, saved it, and accepted it in the system. If you see it in a green color, that means the patient has filled it out online or in a kiosk in your office, but you have not saved it yet into the system. If you see it in a gray color, the gray color means that the patient does not have access to the portal. So if you do not have an email address for the patient, then it'll still be in gray. Right here, we have the patient's name, and then we have the icon tray. So these icon trays can take you to other places in the system as well. You can mark your patient arrived. You can change the status, like with doctor or the workflow. You can get to the patient register, the insurance screen. You can create a patient alert, add a patient note, look at the patient copay details, look at a progress note for that patient, print out checkout documents for that patient when the patient is leaving, and also see the patient history or sign any type of consent form. This movie camera field right here lets you know that it's a telemedicine visit, and depending on the color of the movie camera, depends on where you're at with that telemedicine visit. Over here, you have your visit statuses. These statuses can be customized in color and type. And then if you have a scroll bar at the bottom, which will allow you to scroll over to see other things that may be on this page. You have your little dashboard here, which this is going to let you see the EMR dashboard. And then this one here will let you see the billing dashboard. So you can see the billing dashboard from the EMR side. And that is the home page. Thank you for watching and have a great day.